Now coming to the question number 9. It is the same question. We have given a paper strip and we have to fold it and form a cube or a box and check whether this following 4 1 2 3 figures are following the box or not, or these are the correct positions or not. So first of all, let I tell you the opposite ones. What are the opposite faces? As I told you, the outer ones are opposite. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 2. 1 and 2 are opposite. Similarly, this and this are opposite. Okay, so one after another. This dot is one after another, this blank one. So these are opposites. Similarly, this plus and blank one are opposite. Okay, now opposite cannot be adjacent, so these are showing the adjacent faces. These figures are showing the adjacent faces. Now check. So first of all, here this 1 and 2, 1 and 2, here also 1 and 2, these are opposite, but in the figure 1 it is showing adjacent, so this is the wrong position. Okay, so this cannot be followed. Second, check the second one. Okay, this one and this plus are adjacent, so these three are adjacent here also, so this second can be the correct one. Now again this third one, coming to the third one, this can be also correct, but its position of this portion is not exact. Okay, it should be like this, but in that it is like that, so this is also not correct. Okay, now moving further to the fourth figure. So here clearly this and this are adjacent in adjacent places in the figure 4, but in our figure X we have this are opposites. 2 and 1 are opposite, so this also will not follow. So our answer will be option 2 only. Option 2 will be our correct answer for the question number 9. Now moving further to question number 12. Count the number of cubes in the given figure. So we have to count the number of cubes in the given figure. So first we will count the layer wise. We will count it layer wise, so it will be very easy for us. So this is layer 1. Okay, so in layer 1 how many cubes are there? 1 2, this is 3. Okay, and this is 1 is at the 4th, it is hidden. This is 4th, this is 5th. Okay, now this is 6th and this is 7. So total 7 cubes are there. Total how many cubes we have? 7. Correct answer is option A, 7. Now moving to the next question, that is question number 13. How many blocks are there in the given figure? So first we will count the layer wise. We have 2 layers. This is layer 1. Okay, this is layer 2. Now we can also give it A and B layer. This is layer A, this is layer B. Okay, now check. In the first layer we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 at the back also, so there are 10 in the first layer. Okay, in the same way how many at the second layer? This is 11 12 13 and 14. So total number of boxes or total number of blocks are 14. Very simple. Yes, option B is the correct answer for the given question. Moving further to next question, that is question number 14. Choose the box that is similar to the box form the given sheet X. So this is the sheet X we have. Now first of all we have to check if we will fold this sheet and form a box, then which will be the opposite faces. So this dollar and this circle are one after another, so these are opposite. Similarly these two are opposite. Okay, these two are opposite faces, at the rate and C. And what are remaining? This diamond and this hash are opposite ones. Okay, so remember this thing, these are opposite ones. Now check, verify from the, let us verify from the options. So here diamond and hash are adjacent. As I told you, these are opposite. So option A will not be the correct position. Okay, similar position. It is not the similar position. Checking second one. See, this C and this at the rate, these are opposites. So this is also wrong because they are placed adjacent here in the figure. Now check this diamond, circle and C. This can be, this three can be adjacent. So this can be the correct one. Option C can be the correct one. Now check last option, option D. See this circle and this dollar, they are opposite. Okay, here it is shown adjacent, so it is wrong. So option C will be our correct answer for the given question. Okay, so next question we will solve in the next